What's up guys? We're back with another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have VZ102522. Now, this is a front lip for our Dodge Challenger. And normally whenever customers buy this lip, they go with a wide body, but it also works on a narrow body. Now there's a couple different pieces in here. So let's go ahead and get everything out. Now, everything here on the table has a gloss black finish. And everything should assemble together very nicely with the included screws. Now, everything should snap together fairly easily with this kit. Now, once you have everything laid out, everything should assemble fairly nice and simple just by everything slotting into place. There's little notches for each piece, as you can see here on the bottom, where everything just simply fits perfectly together. And then from there, you can use the included screws to tighten everything down to make it secure. For more content like this and unboxing videos, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.